Hey guys, Steve here. Thought I'd do another quick little video just over some of the equipment we got here. There's a 77, I believe, Ford F-150 Ranger. It had a camper on the back. It's actually in pretty good shape. The inside interior is pretty much new. There's only 80,000 original miles on this truck. This one is for sale. I think he said he wants $1,100 for it. Not sure how many of those trucks they made. And back there we just got some more junk. Behind the silage way, oh, I guess there it is right there. It's a 51 International L150. It's kind of hard to see. Just some old grain elevators, an old Gale chopper. Here we have a John Deere 3020. I believe this is a 64. It's the synchro range. And we got the stack mover on that right now. I was going to put a stack out, but it's too wet today. Here is a Ford 4400, I believe. 4500, I can't remember what this is. Oh, here we are. And that's blank. 4500, I believe it is. It's a diesel. This did run. I'm not sure why it's not running. The hoe is over there. That back cylinder on it expired, and the local dealership wants $900 for one, so we're not going to go that route. Here, I don't remember the year of it. Just a Chevy or GMC dump truck, excuse me. Here, got some more goodies in the shed. Now here is the front end of an Alice Chalmers HD5. I'm not sure the serial number. What I was told, the first one was a prototype, and this was the first one sold. It's covered up by junk. The shed's got to come down, so I'm going to rescue that. But there it is. And there is a 64, we believe, Dodge D300 truck. Just the door of that is back over here somewhere in this junk pile. Oops. Okay, so this is a GMC 6000 V6. Not sure why he parked this. Dumped a lot of loads in that truck. And over here, behind the stacks, unsure of the year, Carmagia. This is my uncle's car in high school. Good shot of the badge there. Last plated in '79. Really neat little car. We had this running 7-8 years ago probably. I'm not sure if it's a 3-speed or a 4-speed. Neat little car though. And I'll pause the video until I get back in the other sheds here. Here to the other shed now. I didn't show you guys this the last time I was here. I ain't gonna uncover too much of it. But it's a 52 MG. Real neat truck. And here, if I can get back to it. Here is a Chevy 6400. This will be my next project. Neat old green truck. I need to get it out of here because there's a hole right there and it's leaking on it. And right over there is a Boland's tiller. I think that's got a Wisconsin motor on it. And that thing is heavy. Oh, here we go. Here's a good front end shot. This MG. This is a steering on the right side car. Shipped over from Germany. My uncle raced this car in Europe. There's an inside shot of it. Steering on the right. Somebody stole the seats out of it when it was being shipped from, I guess it went to England first, I believe, and then here to Iowa, or New York, and then to Iowa. But somebody stole the seats. And I already did a little video on this. Farmall M doesn't want to run. Not sure why. Along with a dozen other people, not sure why it won't run. And I think I covered this before too. John Deere B. We picked this up when we bought the A. I think it's a 50. Well, no, could be wrong there. It has round axles on it, so unsure of the year of that. That one has not ran since we owned it. Here's the Polaris 300 that I need to get a starter for because Grandpa can't start it. There's my 54 3800. John Deere 350 dozer and a Cockshut 560. And over there's the cows and that. And then back in this shed is the 8N, which I did a video on, and my 43 slant dash A, which is soon to be my next project after my other projects, but I got so many out here I don't know which one to completely finish first. Because I just acquired that too, which is an 88F, which you call a 450. It's a Super Duty, 5-speed diesel. Not sure what's wrong with that one either, but that'll be one I will get running here soon, so I can start pulling the trailer around and acquiring more junk. But anyways, and then out there in that pastures, some mowers and hay racks. I'll do a video of the other farm, which I have a 60 Chevy Viking there, my Ford pull-type combine, and some other old machinery and sheds. Stay tuned.